Today on Hoopty Doodle we wire in an LED license plate light and an LED flasher relay. Get ready, because we're about to light it up. Oh God. So I've got my license plate lights right here, these two LED lights. They wire in, they run along the back side here, and they go down through here. And then there they are right here, the license plate lights, both of these guys. And so I am going to run these and wire them in as if they were running lights. So whenever I have the running lights on, the license plate light will be on. So I've got two of them. I'm going to go ahead and clip the longer one right here, and then I'm going to wire both of these together. And then I'm also going to wire them in with the running light up here, this yellow light. And that goes to the main tail light back there. So when the running lights are on, all three of those things will be on. Alright, so this is the beginning of day 3 of working on the wiring. We've made some progress yesterday. The first day was just labeling and organizing and figuring out where everything went and what needed to be done. Second day was actually doing some work, and here we are. We've got license plate light, a running light, tail light, and we've got partial turn signals where they function, they just don't flash yet. I still need to hook up the flasher. So that's where we're at right now. I'm hoping to have a brake light pretty soon, and then we'll work on some additional brake lights. And then the flasher, hoping to get that stuff done today. Alright, so at the moment, my brake lights do not work. The running lights come on, the tail lights come on, but the brake lights will not activate. Part of the brake light circuit runs through the flasher relay. This is the old flasher relay. I now have LED lights everywhere. My flashers also don't work. So this is my new flasher relay here. Came with this little guy on, connected on the end of it. I took that guy off of it using my little special tools here to get in here and poke out these connectors. So I got those out. I'm now going to take those off, and I'm going to install some bigger ones that will fit onto the stock wiring harness, and then I can just plug it into the stock wiring harness and be done. I'm just going to trim these off. Get in here and strip out some of this stuff. Then trim these guys. I've got the male connectors, the larger ones. I'm going to use this guy. That one's done. Yeah, those are both on there now, and we should be able to plug this in here. Alright, so this is a gray wire, according to the manual. This is a black wire. The black from the new flasher relay goes to the gray wire, and the red goes to the black wire. I now have turn signals. Alright, so now I've got this all sorted out. I've got brake lights, I've got turn signals, everything is working via this flasher relay. And so now I'm going to go ahead and put a little bit of shrink wrap on the ends of this thing just to cover them up so they don't have any cross connection issues in the future. There we are, nice and neat. Well, there's some flasher relay wiring for you. Wow, this bike is actually starting to get functional. Who never thought the bike would get this far? Raise your hands. Oh boy. Perseverance, people. That's how we did it. Every day, chip, chip away. That's a lesson for life. If anybody was looking for a lesson for life. Anyways, keep on wrenching, everybody. We'll see you next time.